On the next question, we have 12 data values. The min is going to be 7, and the max is going to be 39. Now, because we have an even number of numbers, the middle of the data is going to be right here. So when we're finding the median, or Q2, we need to take the average of these middle two numbers. So we need to add them up and divide by 2. So 23 plus 28 divided by 2 is 25.5. Now this has divided the data into 2 halves, and each of the halves have 6 numbers, which is an even number. So the middle of the first half is right here, which means we need to take the average of 13 and 17. And then the middle of the right half is right here, so we need to take the average of 30 and 31. So Q1 is 15 and Q3 is 30.5. So lastly, we want to find the IQR, so we need to subtract Q1 from Q3. So that's going to be 15.5.